Hey guys! Jodi on a fêté engagement party. No! Jodi an nou gen fête fiançage nou. So nou la avek famille nou, zami nou yo, den na passe un bon moment. Nou gen manje, nou gen musique. Désolé nou pa patande, sa tout moun ap di parce que
Okay, so, you guys, thanks for coming. All my bridesmaids, groomsmen, thanks for being part of my wedding. And I just want you guys to know that I appreciate you for coming today. And Claudia is the reason that I'm here today. Because if she didn't say yes, probably I'll be home in my bed right now. Aww. So, I love her very much, so that's why she said yes and I'm very elated. And hopefully, from now on, we friends, you know, get together and then have fun. And then I know some of you haven't seen me in years, like probably 3-5 years. And then, you know, I've been gone for some time. But because you say yes, you want to be part of my wedding, I feel like privileged. So I'm a bit nervous, but just bear with me.
Okay,
before we eat, you know, we have to pray a little bit faster. At least 30 seconds. At least 30 seconds. So we're gonna act faster to say a little bit prayer, then we can get started.
All right.
Woo! All of you just don't understand. When you pray for food, you cannot go wrong. So I just gonna say the truth. But good thing is, Oscar just telling me, and look.
No.
Aso lot kamera ka be ko don go.
I know. I saw that video.
Vive ma incertitude, dis-moi si tu m'aimes de ton cœur, montre-moi le chemin du bonheur.
What?